Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can use WhatsApp feature which enables you to transcribe voice messages now. So how you're going to use it? Watch this video till the end and you will find out. So first you need to enable that feature on your WhatsApp. You need to open WhatsApp, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then select settings and then choose chats. Once you are on the chat, you need to scroll down where you will find a voice message transcript. You need to enable that one, and from here you need to choose the language that you want to transcribe your messages to. So there are now a limited number of languages available here, so I will choose English and then tap on setup now. So it will need to download the file first. As you can see, it is downloading. So once it is downloaded, I will show you the next step. So guys, as you can see, the language has been downloaded and it is set to transcript language is English. You can change it from there anytime. Now, how you can transcribe the voice messages. So all you need to do is to go back to your chats, select the chat and the voice message that you want to transcribe, select it, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And here you will find the option transcribe. So just tap on it. It will take a bit of time, depends on how long the message is, and it will transcribe it into the English language. So guys, as you can see, the message has been transcribed. So guys, this is how you can use the new feature of WhatsApp where you can now transcribe the voice messages. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.